Observe. Once per rotation of their planet, the human does something extraordinary. It voluntarily switches itself off. Human, a field guide to Earth's dominant primate. Episode 1. The sleep compulsion. For roughly 1/3 of its entire life, the human lies motionless, blind, and defenseless. Think about the strangeness of this. A creature that fears predators, plans for the future, and dreads its own death, willingly enters a state where it can perceive nothing and defend nothing. And it does not resist this. It craves it. If denied the shutdown, the human begins to malfunction. Its mood corrupts, its logic degrades. Left without it long enough, the organism simply fails. Extraordinary. A being that cannot survive without regularly abandoning consciousness. Note the elaborate preparations. The human constructs a dedicated chamber. Within it, a raised platform, padded, covered in soft fibers. It dims all light. It regulates temperature within a narrow band. It removes its outer coverings. Some perform cleansing rituals first. Some stare into a glowing rectangle until the very last moment. A behavior we will examine in episode 73. Then it arranges its body, closes its optical sensors, and waits to be taken. It calls this chamber the bedroom. It calls the platform the bed. And it will spend a fortune, over a lifetime, perfecting a place it is not even awake to enjoy. But here is the truly remarkable part. The human is not fully offline. Inside the shutdown, its brain reactivates and generates entire false realities, vivid, illogical, sometimes terrifying. It sees places that don't exist, speaks to the dead, falls, flies, is chased. They call these dreams, and upon waking, most are immediately forgotten. We do not fully understand why. Their own scientists do not fully understand why. A species that has mapped its planet and left its world cannot reliably explain why it spends 1/3 of its life hallucinating in the dark. And every single one of them does it, every night, together. Across the entire planet, in staggered waves following the sunset, billions of minds going quiet at once. So remember this, when you think of the human as a creature of logic and control, each day it surrenders. It lies down, lets go, and trusts the darkness to return it. Perhaps that is the first thing to understand about them. Before they conquered anything, they learned how to let go. Next time, they will do something even stranger. They will eat, not to live, but to feel. Episode 1, closed.